The 1st of May 1998, in my office in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. I was working on an exam. It was 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Meanwhile, back at my flat, the washing machine and the boiler, positioned directly above it, were in my bathroom. The boiler started to leak hot boiling water at 5:10 p.m. and it started to drip onto the washing machine. I finished work at 5:30 and then I got in my car and went home. At 5:40, the boiling water started to melt the front of the washing machine. At 5:55, the washing machine had a short circuit, and then it started to smoke, which caused a fire. The AC sucked up all the smoke and began pumping it out all over the flat. As I went up the stairs, I could smell burning. I thought somebody was having a barbecue. So I ran and grabbed the fire extinguisher from the wall as fast as I could. I ran into the bathroom and I was able to use the extinguisher on the fire. I put it out, but the mess was terrible. At 6:30, I telephoned my manager. At 7 o'clock, they gave me an emergency flat to live in. Next day, the maintenance team came round to clean up the flat. It took them a week, and the washing machine certainly should not have been put in the bathroom. And that was the end of my story.
Another ringer with the slick trigger finger for Her Majesty. Another one with the golden tongue.